Right now, most household budgets are fracturing. With the cost of basic goods rising while wages stay flat, the gap between what people earn and what they need to survive is creating an immense amount of economic pressure. At the exact same time, we're being told that artificial intelligence is the ultimate solution. Every tech headline suggests that algorithms are the magic bullet that will fix our financial lives and automate our way to prosperity. This creates a chaotic search for where wealth and technology actually meet. But when you look for a practical map to navigate this intersection, the internet mostly offers noise instead of an honest strategy. If you look for financial advice today, you usually hit one of two walls. First, there's the traditional approach, strategies that are far too slow and manual for the pace of the modern digital economy. Then there's the opposite, a wave of faceless channels promising that you can generate passive income with zero human effort. This trend has created a market saturated with AI slop, thousands of identical, low-quality videos that add no real value to the viewer. This chart tracks why that trend is failing. While the red line shows synthetic volume spiking, the blue line shows audience engagement dropping. Recent platform data confirms that as viewers encounter more automated spam, they click away faster, causing algorithms to stop recommending this content. To build a sustainable channel or business now, you have to use a different formula: human ideas plus machine speed. Real wealth building in 2026 relies on using AI as an accelerator for a high-quality human strategy. You provide the logic, and the machine provides the velocity. That system is built on two pillars, starting with an evergreen foundation of personal finance. We focus on foundational mechanics that don't change, like optimizing credit card yields and building transparent, data-driven roadmaps to eliminate debt. For long-term growth, we use ETFs, or exchange-traded funds. These are essentially baskets of diversified stocks that allow you to invest in the entire market at once, without having to guess which individual company will win. These pillars are the non-negotiable rules of the wealth journey. Whether you use a pen and paper or a supercomputer, the fundamental math of compound interest remains exactly the same. Without this foundation, any technological tool you try to use is simply making your existing financial mistakes happen at a higher volume. The second pillar is the AI engine, using live recorded workflows to execute your financial foundation with maximum efficiency. We use large language models to parse through massive personal budgets and write custom code to analyze spending patterns in seconds instead of hours. We then link these insights together using no-code automation. These are tools that connect different software applications without requiring you to write a single line of manual code. Watch how the data moves. A single financial data point is fed into a node, filtered by human strategy, and routed to the correct output. By multiplying these nodes, you process thousands of simultaneous calculations in the time it takes to open a spreadsheet. In this model, your personal finance knowledge is the steering wheel, and the AI is the high-speed engine that gets you to the destination. The AI handles the repetitive back-office logistics, managing the data flow while you maintain control over the high-level financial decisions. We are moving past the old way of wealth management, where you had to spend your entire weekend grinding away at manual budgeting and archaic spreadsheets. We're also avoiding the modern trap, the idea that you can just press a button and let a fully automated script build a business while you sleep. When that button shatters, you realize there is no shortcut for human logic. The new standard of success is high-leverage execution. It's about doing the strategic work once and then building a system to carry it out with relentless consistency. The ultimate lever is authentic integration, combining timeless financial truths with the execution speed of machines. By subscribing, you access real-world blueprints, transparent, usable data, and practical automation workflows, rather than more synthetic noise. We are building a movement to replace AI slop with authentic, high-speed financial literacy. Subscribe now to get notified when our first full workflow tutorial drops. Mastering your money in today's economy requires mastering the machines that move it.